Just like installing a fan, the fan blades are the first thing you take apart. Okay, after removing the ceiling blades, you will now take out the housing and the rest of the ceiling will be exposed, and you have your hot, your neutral, your ground, and then identified with the red wire as your switch leg. The next step would be to assemble your new fan, putting the blades on first. We've already got all of them put on, and put the last one on. Make sure you read the instructions and put the blades on in the direction they need to. It usually tells you this side up. And pretty much just screw those in. And then continue to follow the instructions. Next, you put the mounting bracket onto the screws that are in the electric box. Now, after you follow all your instructions step by step, you're ready to turn your fan on. We'll start off with turning on the light, see that it works. It has different settings for dimming and brightening. Then turn on your fan. And there you go. You have a complete installation, nice and clean. This has been another Fiber King video. Please press subscribe if you like, and look forward to more videos posted, do it yourself and others. Thank you. Feel free to share with your friends.